In this video, we'll explore how to add music to Spotify, a handy guide brought to you by Media Magnet Guide. But before we delve into the details, if you're excited to enhance your Spotify experience, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's jump into the guide. When we talk about uploading music to Spotify, there are two scenarios. You might be an artist looking to upload your own tracks, or you may have local files on your computer that you want to add to Spotify for personal listening. For artists aiming to upload their music, you'll need a distributor. Spotify recommends distributors to handle licensing, distribution, and royalties. Check out the Getting Music on Spotify page, linked below, for more details on Spotify's preferred distributors. Now, for the second scenario, where you want to upload music from your computer to Spotify for personal use, follow these steps. Open Spotify. Tap on your username in the top right. On mobile, you can check our guide linked below, and go to Settings. Scroll down to Local Files, and toggle on Show Local Files. Next, under Show Songs From, Spotify will search specific locations for music. If your desired location isn't listed, tap on Add a Source and select the folder where your music is stored. Ensure it's toggled on. Now, to view the added tracks, go to your library and tap on Local Files. You'll see a list of files Spotify found on your computer. Select a song you want to add to a playlist. Tap the three dots, choose Add to Playlist, and select your preferred playlist. Voila! The song is now part of your playlist. Keep in mind that this feature is only accessible on your computer. If you want to access it on your mobile device, add the song to your mobile library first. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your engagement motivates us to create more valuable content. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.